For such a long time, you know, all around this country, people look at Las Vegas as this tourist adult playground. And people around the world need to now realize Las Vegas is not a tourist destination, it's a final destination.
I moved back in 1997 and set up solo practice, and I soon realized that the state of medicine hadn't really changed since I was a student here back in the late 80s. And I was kind of wondering, why is that? Because the population had grown tremendously, but the healthcare systems seemed to be fragmented.
We've had governors, multiple governors that have left the state to get healthcare elsewhere, right? A lot of people go down to Southern California, and so that's continued. And the old joke was, go to McCarran Airport, that's how you get your healthcare.
What I actually found was the medical care was very good, but there's not enough of it.
The state of health care in Southern Nevada is very good. There just aren't enough doctors, and so there's not enough access to keep up with how fast this community is growing, now at 2 million plus.
There's an underserved need. There's just too many people. We need more physicians.
The regions approved the budget for the UNLV School of Medicine, and that made it really significant and real.
We are looking forward. We are putting some infrastructure in place for future generations, and that's what it's about. It's going to be such an amazing legacy. It's going to be one of those ones that people from around the world will come here.
How many times you call a doctor and they can't get you in for 6 weeks or a couple of months in the real hot specialties? That's what's going to start changing, is those specialties will have residents, and those people will start to stay in the community. And then it's a much different community.
But the opportunity is just so incredibly exciting. There's some new schools starting, but there are only a few that are full academic health centers in a big city like Las Vegas, at a big university like UNLV.
We're not only going to provide economic impact, we're not only going to create a lot more doctors and a lot more access to healthcare, but we're going to create world-class healthcare here that people will travel here to take advantage of. And that's pretty exciting.